Hi, this is Kai at Ceph. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring your diagnostic findings into a custom gallery. So in Ceph Studio, you can record diagnostic findings, and these are all customizable in the preferences as well. So I'm just going to record some example diagnostic findings real quickly, just to get some data to show you the rest of this. Some treatment objectives, a treatment sequence. Okay, and then there's our overview. So if you're in the diagnostic section, you have this overview that you can look at, but there's no way to easily print this out or share this with the customer or another office at this time. So to do that, you want to go into the templates section. In the templates section, you're going to create a new template, and you can either copy the selected template, which would then let you edit it, or make a brand new template altogether. So I'll call this Diagnostic Findings Demo. That'll be the name of my new template. And I'm going to do a portrait US letter size. So there's our new template. You'll get your license information right in the middle here. You can resize that, and you can move that wherever you want on the page. So now on the right hand side, we have this different data that we can drop onto our custom gallery. Maybe I'll just start with a photo. I'll just drag this over and drop it. There's a photo. I'll do that frontal smiling. And then maybe I want the basic patient information right here. Maybe I want that to be wide there. And now I'm going to put my findings right underneath. To do that, you're going to use this custom text tool, the AA button. Drag that over and drop it. You can type whatever you want, type anything here, or use these tokens. So maybe I want this text to start with today's date. So highlight today's date, double click it, and it'll enter this token. So then I'll say dear, and then maybe I want it to say patient, first name, space, last name, comma. Here are our findings, colon, and then now the findings, I can go to session and do the different tokens. So we have tokens for medical, dental, comments, treatment sequence. And each of these we have internal and lay. Well, I didn't do any medical observations, so I'll just start with dental, and I'll do internal. It'll just match what I put there earlier. But when you're editing the diagnostic findings, you can customize your own internal and lay descriptions for each item. Now here's our internal comments. Here's our internal treatment objectives. And oops, I didn't put a carriage return between those. And now another return and our lay description. There you go. And then I'll hit done. And now you can see it replaces those tokens with the, today's date up there at the top. Dear patient, first name, last name, comma, and then here are our findings, and there they are all laid out. I can click off of this, and then I'll hit. The logo is a bit busy on that bottom, so maybe I'll move it over to there. Maybe these findings will go longer. Okay, so something like that. There is my custom gallery. And now notice I could open another patient file, or I'll just do another session in this case. I'll go to the treatment session, and that will have, under templates, the same gallery, but look, there's no findings yet. So this one gallery is going to work for all your different patients and all your different sessions in time, and it's just going to show you those diagnostic findings once they're recorded. We don't have any recorded yet in this session, so let me record some real quickly. I'll just record some quick dental conditions all in the gingiva section, and then we'll see if we come back to templates, there's all the gingiva entries I just entered. Now, for more information about customizing galleries, open your user manual under the documentation menu, Ceph Studio User Manual, and we want to customize a gallery. So we're looking for templates right there, Chapter 11, beginning of templates. So Chapter 11 templates begins on page 136. This is going to walk you through and give you step-by-step instructions on how to create your own custom galleries. And there's all the different data that you can add, and there's even it's going to go through the custom text tool right there, which I was just showing you. So if you need any further explanation or you have some other questions while working with this, please make sure to read through Chapter 11 of the manual. Anything else, you can contact us with an email or a phone call. All right, thank you. Take care.